gonna oh, nice. Hey guys, what's up? It's Charlie the Boss, and today I am here playing a new game. Actually, well, I guess it's not really new for me. At least I've played it before, a bit on my own. But today I am playing it and recording it, as you guys can probably tell. And this game is called Slime Rancher, and what it is it's pretty self-explanatory in the title. It's literally a ranch with slimes. And here we have our ranch. This is like our house. I'll get into this later. It's kind of like a market. And then over here, you can see we've got some slimes, and these are our corrals, as they're called in here. And sorry, I had a leg spike, but yeah, we use our vacuum pack to suck up these guys, and it's not very loud for you. Let me turn it up. Uh. Guess that's good. Just want it to be. Hold on. Turn the music a little bit down again. There we go. Okay. Sorry about that, but so anyway, as you can see on the right, it kind of shows our objectives, but I'm not really gonna look at them. But if you guys want, you can like go back and look at them. I'm not gonna stop you. But so yeah, because I've already played this, so I already know what we're supposed to be doing. But I suppose I should be explaining it to you guys, so you guys aren't just clueless. But so yeah, basically we are ranching slimes. So this is the corrals, and this is a wall that they can that I can go through, but they cannot go through it. See, it's one way. Well, they can go through this way, but not that way. So that's what we use to keep them in. Yeah, and these are plorts, which is what they drop after they eat food, or yeah, after they eat food normally, or if you just find them in the wild, they just kind of drop randomly. And plorts are basically slime poop. But yeah. This is a plort market where you can sell plorts. Not sure why they would want slime poop, but probably just for like Slimepedia. I'll go over that in a bit, but yeah, they probably just want plorts for like fertilizing and stuff. And normally, ooh, yes, chickadoos and hen-hens. This is a hen-hen, a hearty chicken bred to be twice as tasty as its cousins on Earth. And yeah, we are not on Earth, as some of you guys could probably tell by the slimes and such. This is, yeah, on a planet that's supposed to be like millions of light years away or something, and we were sent here to ranch. And yeah, ranch slimes. So here we have a coop, which I'm going to purchase, so then we can put our chickadoos and hen-hens in here. And chickadoos are just basically chicks, baby hen-hens. So this range exchange is offline, and also we are not the only ranchers out here, but we're the only ones that we'll find. I'm not sure if they'll add that in the game in the future, because this is, as you can see at the top, it's early access. Pretty sure it's like beta or alpha or something, but maybe they'll add that where you can go and visit other slime ranchers and stuff. But this is range exchange, where you can actually trade stuff with other ranchers for things like remember we had to trade in I had to trade in some sort of vegetable and a few slimes, and I got something from it, like it was plorts or something. Sorry about that. But yeah, and there are different variants of slimes, and I think it's Slimepedia. Yep. See, these are all different slimes, so we've only found the pink slime. And there's different resources, but all we found is the hen-hen and the chickadoo ranch. These are all the different types of things that we can. These are all the different types of places, like coops, gardens, silos. It's the corrals that I just did over there. Not really sure what to call those, and these are just different places, and that's stuff about the fact pack, which is what you use to suck up stuff. But yeah, that's so yeah. I think I've pretty much gone over everything here. This is the market, which I guess you could probably just, yeah, you can buy stuff, or okay, the backpack upgrades. Never mind, not the market. Just to upgrade your backpack because you can get like jetpacks and more room in here because you can only fit a certain amount of stuff in these things down here. But yeah, let's go exploring because we don't just have to stay here. We can go exploring and get some more stuff. But here's some wild slimes. I don't want to take all of them because they can actually jump out of their corrals. And carrots. Slimes will eat carrots, so carrots are good. But yeah, we don't want a whole lot of slimes because they can actually. Actually, I'm gonna take a bunch just to show you guys what they'll do. It's kind of cool, I guess. And slimes come out of these things, I think. Yeah, but okay. But yeah, normally you don't want to take a bunch of slimes and stuff because you can only fit a certain amount of stuff in your backpack, and also they can jump out and stuff, which is what I'm gonna go show you right now. Because we have 14 slimes and we already have 4 back there, so now we're gonna have to have 18 slimes, which is quite a lot, especially when you see them all in one spot. But yeah, so as you can see, they're already kind of starting to stack up and try to get out. But yeah, and got some plorts. Go to plort market. Sweet, 49, and this you'll figure out what that is in a later episode. I'm not gonna go over it yet, but there's not really anything else I can think of. Let's just feed these. Let's just put some carrots in here. See, yeah, they're trying to climb out so that they can get out. Or yeah. Let's look at, we got plorts. Shoot out these guys, and I'll go put chickadoo. Chickadoo, yep. Just gonna see if I can get in from here. Did I do it? No, dang it, overshot. So there we go. Okay, more carrots. Oh, when did these get here? Weird. Sweet. Okay. Let's go exploring. See if we can find some other slimes. Oh, Roostro. It's new. Didn't see him there before. Roostros are roosters, and they will mate, I guess you could say, with the chickens. They don't show anything, so don't worry for those young eyes out there. But they will make chickadoos, and then you can feed chickens to, or hens to certain slimes. Not all of them. Well, these guys' diet, their diet is everything, so they'll eat anything. But certain slimes only have, can only eat certain types of foods, like you'll see in a bit. But let's go find some other slimes. So here we've got a bunch of pink slimes again. Pink slimes are the most common slimes. You guys have probably figured out by now. Chickadoo. Actually, no. I don't want any chickadoos, because we've already got roostro and stuff, so chickadoos aren't super important. But what we do want, carrots are good, yeah. And okay, let's keep going. And also, in the beginning of the game, oh, and I will have a link to this game down below if you guys want to go check it out. But at the beginning of this game, and yeah, it's a talk to you guys about that one later. But at the beginning of the game, there's only yes, see here, I've got some other slimes, rock slimes. And as you can see, this is what happens when dog. This is what happens when pink slimes eat rock slime plorts, which I don't have any room for these, but you know, this is more valuable. Dang it, did I? I guess. Okay. Well, anyway, those types of slimes are called slime largos, as some of you probably saw down below, in the bottom right hand corner. But yeah, they're basically big, and these are tabby cats. They're basically cats, as you can see. And then you can pick, because largos don't fit in your a backpack. So you can take them and like shoot them. It's kind of fun to do. But yeah, do. Okay, well, let's get going. There's a bunch of slimes over here. Let's get some plorts before it gets dark. There's nothing really bad that happens when it gets dark, but some of the stuff that happens when it gets dark I want to save for later. Oh, I'm out of plorts. Okay. Sweet. And you can run just by pressing shift. Pretty basic game controls. You press the right mouse button to vacuum and the left mouse button to shoot out stuff. And you do have like a stamina thing down below. In the bottom left hand corner, the blue. And yeah. So I bet some of the no, none of the slimes got out, but they're sure trying. And for now, let's just put these guys in here. Normally though, I won't put multiple slimes in the same thing, but see, tabby cats can jump and stuff, so it's not really good to have multiple tabby cats in one spot. Let's keep 4 pink slimes in here. I don't really know what to do with these guys right now. Just gonna shoot them out there. Let's go sell these plorts. As long as we're by our farm, there won't be anything terrible that happens at night. It's not that I know of, even though nothing really terrible happens at night in this game, luckily. But let's see here. Let's make. Actually, I'm gonna wait for it in the morning. Sleep. And you can just click on sleep until morning, and then it becomes morning, and you can press return to ranch. And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna make a garden. So E to activate garden, purchase. Oh, I don't have enough money. I didn't realize that. Let's feed some stuff. Oh no. So rock slimes or tabby slimes are some of the. No, dang it! We can't have largos around here. See, this is another reason why you can't put things in the slimes in the same thing, because they'll eat each other's plorts. So when you think about it, it's kind of gross because they're just eating each other's poop. But yeah. Dang it, tabbies. But tabby slimes can only eat meat. Some of you might have saw. So we gotta feed them hens. Which is unfortunate for the hens. Oh, by the way, largos do get put out 2 plorts. Come on. And largos, no matter what type of largo they are, they will eat all types of food. Okay. Okay, well, whoa! What the? How'd I get over? Weird. So, I can't make a garden. I gotta make another corral. Okay, so yeah, I should have enough to make a corral now. Let's do this one. Corral again. Let's put the tabby slime in here. It's like you big guy. And oh, okay. And then let's see if anybody wants to eat you. Buddy in here? No, doesn't look like it. How about this guy out here? Seems to be having a good time. And I get it. Dang it. So I wasn't paying attention. Where the? Oh, there it is. You chicken? How the... The thing is, Lardos are a big pain. What the... No! Yeah, I'm just don't even want to deal with this. Just gonna go shoot this guy over here. Okay. So... Sweet. I'm out of energy, so it's... Okay. Probably go in the pen. In the coop. How much are tabby ports worth? 27. It's decent. So let's go back. Let's take this guy and shoot him out here again. Not like shoot him, but like, okay. Yeah. Ew, these ones. Oh, crates. You can find crates just around and phosphor slime. These are okay. Softly glowing heralds of starlight. Bet. Hold on. Let's hear. Favorite is Q-berry diet fruit. Can come out at night, flying about the moonlight range of translucent wings. Phosphor slimes have a reminiscent slime range of risks, such as special needs compared to your typical slime. As phosphor slime and its ports will quickly vanish if exposed to sunlight, meaning a rancher can quickly lose an entire corral's worth of phosphor slimes if not careful. Fact them out before daybreak, or keep phosphor slimes in places. Like a cave. Okay. Well. Hold on. Gotta show you guys something real quick related to that. So, as you guys saw, phosphor slimes will burn up in daylight or vanish in daylight, and these things over here are different types of ranches. So this is the ranch expansion. It's the overgrowth, like a Wild West safari-ish thing. And then over here is the cave, which we have to put the phosphor slimes in. The grotto. And also, that's about it. Hold on, I want to look at something. So, also, I haven't showed you guys this yet, but, this is just upgrades for the corral. Solar shield. Oh, sweet. Okay, so we can do that. To protect the phosphor slime. 425. We can do that. No, I didn't want to purchase it. Anybody hungry? Just gonna put those in there. Okay, well, I'm gonna go get a chicken. Or hen rather. And shoot it in there. And then this big guy is being a nuisance, and this guy I'm gonna shoot over there. And then let's pick up some more ports. Oh no. I don't have enough room to keep these. No, I don't want that. I want port. I want your poop. I want to take your poop. I thought I... Oh, it's just... How the... These guys are a nuisance. What the... No. Slime wrenching is hard work. Harder than one would expect. And okay, there we go. What? There we go. Oh, here we go. Here's one of the things. And we need a roostro. Now these do what the? Okay, hold on. This is why do you how? So this is related to the these things. You only have a certain amount of time to do it. Not sure if it says, but Thora West. What are the odds the greenhorn beetle beats y'all to this one? I don't know, but yeah, these are some. These are the mission things, I guess you could say, or like quests, kind of, where you just have to go out and get stuff, and then you can get money for them and stuff. So I want to go find another Roostro. As long as I can find at least one, then I can do this. Do this quest thing. There's 3 these rock guys out here. Okay. I can just go past all these guys. So what I really need is a Roostro. Roostro. Oh, there's one over there. Yes. Let's take some plorts. No headnets, but there's tons of plorts. Normally, on a good trip, if you go out, you can just find lots of plorts. Yeah, just lots. I need one of these guys. Not one of those guys. One of those guys. Because there's plorts everywhere that these guys poop out. Okay. Yeah, see, like, it's just everywhere. Already got 20. Okay, let's go. Whoa. Okay. Who's 12? This gun's like... It's too fast! Okay. Sweet, let's go get this other one. And there we go. Yes. Dang it. Let's get this in there. I gotta go put these plorts away. Oh, I gotta be super quick though, because those are phosphor plorts. Okay, yep. Because, like I said, phosphor plorts burn up in the daylight. So... Oh, sweet. I've got quite a bit of money. Tabby plot. And there. So. Hey, didn't I put you in there? Okay, guys, well, you gotta come out. Just put you in there. And what? Okay, well, I want to put you... Hold on, is this considered shaded over here? I don't know, I'm just gonna, Solar Shield. Purchase. So then, my phosphorus slime has a nice dark place. This is a problem. We've got four largos in one spot. Gonna. And, oh, nice. Hold on. Since this is, I'm gonna make a game out of this. Okay. I want to see if I can get it over that. Ah, oh, dang it. I got the other one to hit it. I didn't get it over. Let's go right up here to the end of this. And yes, got over. Let's see about this guy. Can I get him over? Let's see if I can do it without jumping. Dang it. Just gonna... We got some work to do. Probably, yeah. Put these guys in there, and that in there. And I don't believe it gave... Hold on, these guys eat fruit, right? Type of plot. Okay. What else? I don't know. Oh, it's nighttime. Oh, but you know what? Since it's nighttime, so nope. Since it's nighttime, we can go out and find some phosphorus slimes. Because phosphorus slimes come out at night. There's one. Nope, never mind. Actually, let's get back. It's gonna be a bit. Okay, so now that it's night, I think I'm gonna get some shut-eye. Just sleep until morning. Wait, hold on. I need to check. So I think this sawmill. Welcome to the Range Exchange. Hi there, Beatrix. Oh, so my name is Beatrix. My name's Sora West. I'll keep my introduction short on account that we all got work to do. I'm a long-time rancher here on the Far Range and head of the welcome wagon for your local Range Exchange. Range Exchange is a network of ranchers just like yourself who are looking to trade what they got for what they need. Slime, sports, food, whatever. All you need to do is check the Range Exchange machine daily and be sure to get your trade completed by noon. Small ranchers get added to your network. You should receive a hearty hello from them, so check your inbox. What? Since old Hobson's Range Exchange link went dead years ago, I assumed he broke the dang thing like everything else on that ranch. I'll bet you have your hands full. In any case, I arranged for another to be shipped to you, free of charge. Should have arrived last night, so check it out. Cool. Miss Leebucks. 7Z Corporation would like to welcome you to the Far Range. Okay. Oh well. Okay. So anyway guys, thank you so much for watching, and if you liked, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you want to see more, I could always use that, and comment anything that you would like to see me do, whether it be go searching for slimes or go find different areas, because there are different areas that we can go to, and stuff like that. And there's tons of there's actually not tons of stuff, but there's quite a bit of stuff we can do. And if you guys would like me to start saving up for one of these things here, the add-ons, say so, or just anything like that. If you want me to go find more slimes, whatever. But yeah, anyway, just a warning, I will probably be doing some off-screen work. I definitely need to get some fruit for this guy. He's getting hungry. But so yeah, if you like I said, like, comment, subscribe, all that stuff, and I'll see you later. Goodbye.